In this brief tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of making your LinkedIn profile private. Maintaining the privacy of your profile is crucial for safeguarding your personal information and controlling who has access to. By following a few simple steps, you can restrict access to your profile and ensure that only authorized individuals can view your professional details. To begin, open the LinkedIn mobile application and tap on your profile picture icon located at the top left corner. Subsequently, tap on Settings, followed by Visibility, and then select Profile Viewing Options. To make your LinkedIn profile completely private, simply choose the Private Mode option. This comprehensive guide outlines the precise steps required to privatize your LinkedIn profile,